Welcome to my channel, and this is Good Tutor. And what I do here, I solve technical drawing problems and also provide very important information that you can make use of for you to have better performance in your technical drawing examinations. If you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe to this channel and help me to share my videos to friends who are technical drawing students. And as I said, I usually share very important information that can help you to have a better performance in your technical drawing examination. And that is what I want to do now. This is one of the basic things that you need to know in technical drawing. And I'm talking about types of lines and their applications. So every technical drawing student, every engineering student that is drawing need to be aware of the different types of lines that we use in technical drawing and their respective applications. Okay, so as you can see in this table, as we have here types of lines, lines appearance, and their uses. And here we have the practical applications of those lines that we are going to talk about here. Now, the first line that we have here is known as thick continuous line. Thick continuous line, and this is the appearance of the line, and it is used for feasible outlines and feasible edges. Now, let's look at it in this practical application here. So as you can see here, so this is an outline, and this outline of the object is made with thick continuous line. So likewise, we have every of this part made with thick continuous line like this and also this. And then also this is made of thick continuous line because the outline of the drawing, and they have to be made thick, they have to be made visible for us to be able to see. Likewise, we have visible edges. So on an object, we have edges, like for example, a cube or a cuboid. So the lines that combine two faces together is known as an edge. And those lines, they have to be made thick with thick continuous line so that whoever sees it will be able to recognize what it is. Now, let's come for the second line that we have here. We have thin continuous line. This is the appearance of the line. And for the thin continuous line, it is used for construction lines. So when you begin to draw, you're expected to make use of this line. This line is mostly used because whenever you start drawing, as I said, you have to draw with thin continuous line. The line should not be as thick as we have here in the first type of line, which is thick continuous line. It should be like this. So it should be thin continuous line. So we use thin continuous line for construction lines, for dimension lines, for arching lines, for extension lines, and also for projection lines. Let's come to the practical application of this line here. Let's look at it. So here we have dimension line. So this dimension line is drawn with thin continuous line. Also, this extension line is drawn with thin continuous line. We also use it for leader line too. So leader line, this leader line that we have here is also drawn with thin continuous line. So, and if you look around here also, so we have it being applied in different forms here. So as I've said here, so thin continuous line, we use it for construction lines, for dimension lines, for arching lines, for extension lines, and for projection lines. So here we have arching lines. This is arching lines, or they call it section line. So it is drawn with thin continuous line. So this part here, this part here, this part here, and this part here, they are drawn with thin continuous line. That are what we call arching lines, or they call it section lines. Okay. Then the third one is known as thin continuous wavy line. Thin continuous wavy line, this is the appearance of the line, and we use it for irregular boundary lines, for short breaks, and also for limit or partial views. Let's come and look at the short break here. So this is short break line. It is drawn with thin continuous wavy line, as you can see it here. Likewise, we have it on this part here. So these are the two parts in which the line is applied. Okay, so for thin continuous wavy line, so don't forget what it is used for, and then make sure you are able to produce it in a drawing that involves short breaks or irregular boundary. Okay, then we also have short dashes line. This short dashes line is used, so this is the appearance here, as you can see it here, and it is used for hidden outlines and hidden edges. So hidden outlines, so mostly in orthographic projection, so we are to show hidden parts of an object, we usually use short dashes line. So this is short dashes line, as you can see here, they wrote hidden line here. So short dashes line being applied here in this drawing, and also it is applied here, it is also applied here. Okay, so those are the application of short dashes line. Then we also have thin long chain line. So thin long chain line is used for center line, So when you want to draw a circle in technical drawing, you have to draw the vertical and the horizontal center line. Very, very important, because it's part of what is going to be checked in your work when your work is to be marked, which is also going to be part of what they are going to write in the marking guide. So as we have it, that is used for center lines, for pitch circles, and also path lines for indicating movement. So let's look at where it is applied here. So in this drawing, we have center line here. This is center line drawn with thin long chain line, and then we also have it here being applied here. Thin long chain line, it's applied here, it's also applied here for this circle, center lines for this circle, and also, so I think what we have here is also a circle, so it is applied here, it's applied here, and applied here. So and then for pitch circle, as you can see here, this circle here, so we have thin long chain line being applied here in drawing this locus, okay, or we call it pitch circle. And then the next one that we have thick long chain line. Thick long chain line is used for cutting plane lines. So cutting plane lines, so whenever we want to cut an object or truncate an object in a particular part, we use this type of line to show that it is that part is cut. We show it on that particular drawing. So this is thick long chain line here being applied here, as you can see, cutting plane line. So this is how it's applied here. Okay. Then the next one that we have here, which is the last one, we have thin continuous line with short zigzag. So which is used for long breaks. So as you can see here, so this is it. So this is how it looks. As we have it here, as you can see it here. So we also have it here. So this is long break. So we use thin continuous line with short zigzag for long break line. So it's as simple as I've said it here. So all you need to do is to pay attention to this part and also make use of it in your exam. Very, very important, as I said. So because whenever they want to put, they want to write the marking guide, which they are going to apply in marking your script, they are going to consider all these things, and it may make somebody to lose 2 marks or 1 mark or 2 marks, which may also affect the grade of the person. So thank you, and make sure you pay attention to this, and God bless you.